how did you think of the name BX?
Oh, that's a good one. I'm glad you asked that, actually, because very few people actually ask it, and there's meaning behind the name. The B stands for business. It's obviously we're predominantly B2B, where we help businesses of all kinds. And the X is algebraic, so it sits to the power of, so it's B to the power of X. So we help grow businesses exponentially, so business to the power of X. So that's where the BX came from. So I love when people know that, and that's why so they get to understand a bit more about what we're trying to achieve for our members and clients.
Yeah, great. I love that. Very, very good. And it's nice to know the meaning behind it, because it does give it more meaning, doesn't it? We're going to take a little tea break. Do you have tea with you?
Do I have tea? I have caffeine. I didn't bring the tea over.
That's right. Okay. All right. You can have a sip of coke. I'm going to ask you. Sorry.
Race to the kitchen and get myself a tea. How's that?
It's okay. You can have your coke. I'm not offended. What I like to know, though, because I'm a little bit nosy, and I feel like it's a little bit like back in the old days when you went to a barbecue and the dads stood around talking about whether they were Ford or Holden people. Yeah. I like to know what devices people use. And
that's a great question.
I call the segment of the Sip and Solve the Biodata.
Well, I'm a PC man, but I'm an Apple phone user.
Yes. Okay. So PC, so computer, you have a PC?
Yes.
Yeah. And phone is an Apple?
Yes.
Have Apple Watch?
Apple Watch as well, yeah.
Excellent.
I know, it's fun.
Yeah, I'm the same, actually. I do my work on a PC, and then I have an iPad and an iPhone. And actually, I did have an iWatch too, but I've just switched to the Garmin because I'm doing this whole fitness thing, and there's a whole lot of information it has that I find quite useful, and it connects to the scale. That's quite good. So,
well, I was chatting to someone. I had a couple of weeks away, and my sister-in-law was chatting to, and she's got the Garmin, and she was talking about all the features on it, and I'm like, oh, mine doesn't do that.
No. I've had an Apple Watch for 10 years, I reckon, and I just maybe 3 months ago I switched to the Garmin, and there's one feature on it that I really like, which is called the body battery. So it tells you, which basically tells you how much energy you've got. And when you sleep at night, your body battery fills up. And if you've had a good sleep, it will fill all the way up to 100%. But if you haven't had a great sleep, one didn't fill up that way. And so I like the body battery bit. And then it does it monitors your stress and a whole bunch of other stuff as well. And then it connects to your scale. So if you're on a program, cool. It tells you what's going on. So
can't cheat.
I know. So what about the technology that you use? So what's your most used app on your iPhone, do you reckon?
Wow, that's a good one. I'd have to say my mail app would be like Google Mail, email. It'd have to be the most used. I would say the BX app, but we retired the BX app when we launched our new platform.
Yeah, right. But there's going to be another one, yeah?
Yeah, there will be.
Yeah. Okay. And so I have a partner, and every time I look at him on the lounge when we're watching TV, I work at nighttime, and I look over, and he's always calculating something on his calculator on his. And so it came up on the TV. It was somebody was talking about, you can go onto your iPhone and it'll tell you which app you've used. His most used app on the iPhone is the calculator.
That's hilarious. Yeah. I probably spend more time in Instagram, but I probably more frequently access my mail.
Yeah, okay. So, well, that's my next question then. On social media, what is your most used social media app?
Well, I use Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. I have a TikTok account, but I'm not super active on it. But I have a social media team that are working on that at the moment, so that will sort of take a little bit of a shift. But I've been focusing on my Instagram reels and stories and posts and growing that. So in the past, and so I put a lot of effort in there. So at Matt Alderton, if you want to follow me, because I've just got the 16,000 followers, just ticked over 16,000. So I'm trying to push that up. I'd love to get 20 plus thousand nice and soon. Cool.
Excellent. I pressed my ding ding button if you didn't hear it.
Excellent.
Did you hear it? So onto your computer then. What apps do you use mostly on the computer? What do you use for your CRM?
Yeah, good questions. Look, we use Google Suite.
Google Suite, yep.
So Google Suites, we're always in the Google Suite application. Yep. So all of those. I use Asana all the time because that's our task management, project management software app that all of our team are often engaging in. And our CRM, where we spend a lot of time because it's our platform CRM, it's all in one system, is Ontraport, and we're forever in that because there's integration of all of our booking, registrations, events, the awards portal, the member portal, and all of our back-end CRM, e-commerce platform, etc. So we spend a lot of time in Ontraport.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, I think that's the end of my tech questions for you.
Awesome.